Okay guys, hi and welcome back. In this video we have the nav bars. Okay, so here I will start from support content, navbar brand, which is this one, the navbar nav, the full height and the lightweight of navigation, the navbar toggler, the navbar text, this text, and the navbar collapse. We will know all of that. So here the first navbar I have, when I copy this one and I paste it here at the top of the page. Here I have the navbar and here I have the drop down link. But what if I want to make this text in here? This is a problem, right? So here I have the margin right auto. What if I make it the margin left auto? So here I have this text at the right. Okay, so here I have the button outline success. What if I make it danger? So here I have this and I can make it dark or anything I want. Okay, then I have the navbar brand. The navbar brand is this one, so I can make anything here. I can put an image or anything. So here I have this. Okay, then if I want it to be as a heading, I can give it a class of header 1 or like this, anything I want. So here I can copy this part. I can just copy this div, but it's okay. I don't want to make a difference in the navbar. You know how to do it. Here, if I want to add an image, it is easy for you. You know, I always using this, and if I want to change the font size, and I change it in the style of CSS and change it according to the width and the height of the screen. So here I have this, the navbar with a continuous light path without the search bar. Of course I can delete the search bar from here if I want. And here I have this in the left and this in the right. Great. Now I have this navbar, the navbar with A instead of list. Copied, okay, I will paste it here. When I load, here I have this in the form of A instead of the LI. When I scroll down, here I have the drop down link with UL. You may also utilize drop downs in your nav drop down menus that require wrapping elements. This is okay. So here I can copy and paste. They are the same. So they are all the same. You don't need to understand all of that. You just need to understand one navbar, and you can do anything. Here the form in the form of the navbar, the search bar. Okay, here I have the navbar, but only with the search bar. As I told you before, you can change this button outline. Now I have the nav brand and the input of the search. If you want to make this works, you need to learn the PHP in MySQL. Okay, but I prefer MongoDB for this. MongoDB is much easier. Here the username. When I make it here and refresh, here I have the username. Of course I can control the width. So what if I go here and style width just 18 rem. Sorry, I will refresh here. So here I have this different, and of course you can just edit the width for this form. Okay, then I have the button large and small. So here I have the PG light, and here I have the button margin of 2, margin right of 2, and the button secondary button small. Here I have the button small. This is the medium one, which has no additional classes. So here, when I hover here or here, I have this. Great. After this part, I have the text. If I want to edit text for the navbar, I can just copy this one, and let's see what we have. Here I can make, after all of that, I can paste this here for the navbar and the search. So here I have this text. Then I have this. If I want to add a navbar and the text at the right or the left, I told you before how to do it. Okay, then I have this. Great. Then I have the colors. How can I change the colors? Just I can copy this part, navbar dark. Okay, I will delete this part and make it navbar dark and PG dark. So I will be having the dark color. So here I have the dark one, and I can make it PG primary, so it is blue. We will try to make success in everything we have. I have the primary. Let's make sorry, I have info. Great. I have secondary. Okay, here I have the danger, success. I think that's all. No, warning. And then I can delete all of that. What if I delete all of that and make it like this? Here we have this color. We have white color, so now it is transparent. Now I have an option. I can make style of background color. Let's make it hot pink. So here I have the hot pink, and I can change the color. I think the Bootstrap 4, I cannot change the color from here. I need to edit the link. Let's make it white. Now adjust changes. If I want to change this, I need to change in the UL, in the class of the UL. Great. Then I have water. I have this is okay, and this is okay. Placement, no, okay. The fixed top, if I wanted to be fixed, I just copy this one and paste it for the navbar. Paste it here, okay. Here when I reload the page, it is not fixed. Okay, I can change this from the style CSS. Not fixed. Okay, it is okay. I think the Bootstrap have a problem with this one. Toggling the classes. The toggler, so I can copy this one and paste it here. I have this navbar. When I click here, now it is active. Great. Then I have with a brand name shown on the left and toggler on the right. It is okay. So here the toggler on the left, external content. If I want it to be like that. But here when I make it like this, when I make it smaller, here I don't have nothing here. I just have, when I click here, I have the navbar. Great, I just need to edit this color if I want to make it something different. Then if I want to make it like this, some customers like the navbar to be always collapsed. Now I have this. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Great. Now we are done with the navbars. In the next video we will move to pagination. This is the pagination. When I click here or here or here, or this, okay, and the disable and active or this or anything I want. So good luck and have fun.